Did you know that instant noodles were invented in Japan in 1958 by Nissin Foods? The main inspiration for creating this product was to make a quick and convenient meal that could be prepared anytime and anywhere. Hello, this is Proxima, and today we will learn how instant noodles are made. Get ready, we're starting. The first step in the production of instant noodles is mixing the ingredients. Wheat flour, water, salt, and starch are mixed in large tanks. Flour and starch are added in the required amounts, and then water is slowly added until a homogeneous dough is formed. After the dough is ready, it is passed through special machines that shape it into the desired form. Instant noodles are usually made in a spiral or rolled into rings. The machines can also cut the noodles to the desired size. After shaping, the noodles are dried. This is done to remove excess moisture and give the noodles the desired texture. Instant noodles are dried on special belt conveyors for several minutes at a certain temperature and humidity. Depending on the manufacturer and type of noodle, drying time may vary. After drying, the noodles are moved to conveyor belts for packaging. Instant noodles are packed in plastic or foil bags that have a resealable lid to keep the product fresh. After packaging, the noodles are ready for transportation and sale. Instant noodles usually have a long shelf life, so they can be stored in a cool and dry place. Before use, the noodles need to be boiled in boiling water or hot water for a few minutes, and then various sauces and ingredients can be added to make a dish. Thus, the process of producing instant noodles involves mixing the ingredients, forming the noodles, drying them, and packaging them. Typically, instant noodles have a simple and fast preparation method, which makes them popular among consumers who prefer quick and convenient food. Quality control is a very important stage in the production of instant noodles. Manufacturers conduct numerous tests to ensure that the product meets quality and safety standards. These tests include analyzing the chemical and physical properties of the product, checking for contaminants and microorganisms, as well as evaluating taste and aroma. Once the instant noodles have gone through all the necessary stages of production and quality control, they are ready for delivery to the market. Instant noodles are supplied to stores and supermarkets worldwide, where they can be purchased in convenient packaging of different sizes and types. Instant noodles are a popular product used in various dishes, such as soups, stews, salads, and more. In conclusion, the production of instant noodles is a complex and labor-intensive process that involves many stages. However, thanks to this process, we can enjoy delicious and convenient food at any time of the day or night. Let us know in the comments how you feel about instant noodles, and don't forget to subscribe to not miss new informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.